Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this topic, I am going to cover the ways we can click on an element in Selenium. Like in how many ways we can click on an element in Selenium. This is one of the interview question which I faced in Halliburton. So I am going to share with you. So let's start that. So first of all, we can click using element.click method, and this is the standard way to click directly on an element. Like you first you define web element is equal to driver dot find element by dot id, let's say any id, let's say submit, and on that you just click on element.click. This is the standard way. So next we can click on an element using actions class. So here exactly we'll declare and initialize the element, like web element is equal to, let's say, driver dot find element by dot id is equal to submit. Then what we can do, we can do actions is equal to new actions, where we'll pass the driver instance. Then we'll write down actions dot move to element, where we'll provide the element dot click dot perform. So this will be useful for hidden or hover based elements. Okay, so next we can click on an element using sendKeys. So how can we do that? So first we'll define the element and initialize the value. Web element is equal to driver dot find element by dot id submit, let's say. Then we can do element dot send keys dot enter, or element dot send keys dot space. So that's how we can click on the element, either keys dot enter or keys dot space. Okay, so basically it will simulates enter and space key click. Okay, so it will click the key of enter as well as space. Okay, then next we can click an element using JavaScriptExecutor. Let's say web element is equal to driver dot find element by dot id submit. Then we will write down JavaScriptExecutor JS is equal to JavaScriptExecutor of driver, then JS dot execute script, and we will provide the means arguments of 0 dot click and element. Okay, it works when normal click fails. So when Selenium click does not work, that time we work with JavaScriptExecutor and click an element. Okay, understood? Then we can click an element using actions dot double click, that is web element is equal to driver dot find element by dot id, let's say submit. Then actions is equal to new actions of, will provide the driver instance. Then actions dot double click of the element and perform. It performs double click action. Similarly, we can click an element using context click, like web element is equal to driver dot find element by dot id of submit. Then actions is equal to new actions of driver. Then we'll click on actions dot context click of element dot perform. Okay, it will be right click on the element. So in summary, if you can tell, like main way to click in Selenium will be, the standard way will be element.click. Then actions class, like through actions class we can click, we can click, double click and context click, that is right click. And send keys, using send keys, where we'll do keys.enter and keys.space, then using JavaScript executor. So these are the ways we can click on an element. So thank you so much guys. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. I'll come with a new topic. Till then, bye bye. Take care.